Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we explore a classy double-story home with attractive interior.
This home is named as Delara. It is Persian word and it means adorning the heart. It has built-up area of 2,916 square feet.
This is the exterior view of the home. It has beautifully designed with cladding tiles on the wall. This is located in Ponnani, Kerala. Furniture of this house is imported from Saudi Arabia and made by Ikea. A small garden area on the frontage to make the beauty even more better.
This house have 4 bedroom, 2 in ground floor and 2 in first floor. In first floor, 1 bedroom designed as kids bedroom.
Let's begin the home tour by entering to the sit out. The main door is built with teak wood in simple but modern style. This is the main living area arranged with modern cushion sofa in L shape which is located in the left side of the main entrance corner to the wall. This is the false ceiling of living area which is simple and rectangular in shape. Decor items are used in the wall to provide more beauty. On right to this is the mini living area which has a divan cot with storage. Net type curtains are used to cover the windows, which cover all the window area. A small table and storage box placed to the corner of the room. Let's check the dining area now. We see simple and elegant table with 6 chairs. The chairs are of traditional model with contemporary style.
We can see the house name Delara is written in Arabic calligraphy.
There is a sitting space near to the back of parabola here. We have a Eurotech wash basin here. Also, there is one shower placed in the lower portion for washing legs. This is the prayer room arranged with a neat carpet on the floor. Let's open the door below the stair. There is a patio available here with sitting space. Moving on to the kitchen, we see the storage shelf in the top and bottom of the rack space. A nice gold-plated jug and cups are placed in the stand to the corner. The left wall is designed with tiles of different color using spacer. This is an extension to the kitchen where the gas top burner is placed. Burner is automatic one. We see a normal gas stove and induction cooktop also available here. Higher refrigerator is used, which is convertible. This is an extension to the work area where the grill door and windows are given. Here enough space is available to keep laundry basket and other things. Let's move on to the bedroom then. We see the curtain used all over is same. A wardrobe and coat box is available here. All items in the room are black coated. A simple standing lamp is located to the left corner of the room. Wardrobe is big enough to store most things. Dressing table with mirror also located to the right of the box. Attached bathroom is located right to the wardrobe. The room has new type tile design and suite closet. Now, we will check the next bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Standard white box code with box code storage in the right, which has a white table lamp on top. TV unit for CCTV is placed in this room. Also, there is some open storage to the corner of the room. There is a mirror in traditional style but built with modern wood. The storage area under the box cot is vast enough to store clothes and other items. The chain stair has a spiral shape which is designed with wooden glass. The design is contemporary too, with the wood flooring on the chair steps. The parabola on the ceiling provides more sunlight to the room. Checking on the first floor, we see a computer table and a storage box with 3 compartments. This is the open terrace view. Nice scenic view is available here. Opening to the room, we see the white box code and small side table. This room is similar to previous one. All the objects are in white shade. Spotlights are used on the wall. Wardrobe is available which is also white in color. Attached bathroom is similar to previous one, only the color of the tile is changed. There is also an ironing room available in the first floor.
Now we are entering into the fourth bedroom and it is designed as kids bedroom. Here a kids bunk bed along with study table attached are provided.
This is a storage box with mirror and stand where items like chain, bangles, etc. Let's check the balcony then. This area is provided with parabola design and railing. The roof of balcony is made as parabola design. Nice scenic view is available here. So guys, we have covered all area in this house. We see a peculiarity in the paint and furniture used. Most items are in white color or white shaded.